प्यारे दोस्तों, कल हम लोगों ने अपने वीडियो में देखा कि किस प्रकार एक नन्हा सा बालक अपने टीचर की विदाई में एक बेहतरीन इंग्लिश में स्पीच दिया। आज हम देखेंगे किस प्रकार अपने से बड़ों के प्रति हम इंग्लिश में स्पीच दे सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फेयरवेल स्पीच फॉर सीनियर्स। A very good evening to the respected dignitaries, respected teachers, seniors, and my dear friends. As we all know that today is the farewell party of our seniors. On behalf of all the juniors, I would like to speak on the farewell party of our seniors. I, Vijay Datta from Computer Science branch 5th SEM, is feeling very lucky and honored to have this opportunity of giving a speech today in the farewell of my lovely seniors. I would like to congratulate all the seniors for their nice and happy journey of career. I wish them all for bright career very soon, and I am very sure that success will come true soon because of their hard works and high technological skill. After all, they are the student of Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Just like golds and diamonds are uncovered from the earth, the highly skillful of good deeds and sharp-minded students are uncovered from the Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Wisdom appears from their pure and peaceful mind. To get admission here, students need the wisdom and the guidance of virtue. From the first day of college, when we took admission and entered to the hostel, continuously we have been guided by our seniors about this precious part of our life in the college. It is our seniors who make us able to get adjusted in the completely different environment. Our new home means college. Of course, college and hostel becomes new home to all the students, as we see only our family in our homes. However, in the college, we have to face many difficulties, varieties of pains, etc., which taught us to live without parents and family members. In such an unusual environment, we learn to adjust and live happily just because of our seniors. It was our seniors who made us feel that we are like free birds and can do anything what we want in the life. I still remember my fresher party very well, when our seniors had celebrated by organizing lot of cultural activities. After fresher party, they started treating us like their friends and helped us a lot in forgetting our families and concentrate on our study. Whenever we need anything, we go to seniors room at once and get what we need. They help us in the hostel college campus, playground, lab room, library, and arrangements for any event celebration in the college. We learned many important things in the college life only because of our seniors. They taught us how making healthy interaction with everyone in the college play a significant role in the curriculum. It also helped us to get rid of the homesickness and adjust in the totally new environment of college. A strengthening bond with seniors in the college has included the sense of responsibility and craftsmanship among us. They helped a lot in our project work by awaking in the nights. Our seniors are really very encouraging, supporting, care, taking, and truly behaved to us like friendly guardians in this college. I again want to say to our seniors that our heartily wishes are always with you all of your successful future. Thank you all. Jai Hind.